Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to be showing you how you can trace anybody's location with 20 simple lines of Python code. So let's get started. So now I'm in my desktop and I'll quickly jump onto my text editor, Visual Studio Code. You can use any text editor you want, but I personally prefer this text editor. And yeah, as you can see, I've already created a new file. You can create a new file for yourself, and then I will save this file, and this sort of window will pop up. I will be saving it in my desktop. You can save it anywhere you want. I will name it tracker.py. So you can name it anything you want, but the py extension is necessary for every name. So you have to add .py to your name to make it a Python file. After you have done that, you just have to need two simple libraries for this project. We are gonna import phone numbers. So phone numbers, and then we are gonna from test we have to import number. So we are gonna create a new file that would be test. So we're gonna create a new file, and that would be, I'm just gonna save this file as test.py. So after that, as you can see, I'm just creating a variable. So number would be equals to in quotation marks. So basically this number, we have to write the number that we want to track with the country code. So as you can see, I live in India, so I'm gonna type it +91 9811. So yeah, my number. Yeah, so this is my number with my country code. So I will just save this file, and then I head on to tracker. So right here we are specifying that from test we have to import numbers. So this is a test.py, and from here we have to import the number. After you have done that, you have to create a import another library. So from phone numbers we have to import geocoder. So from phone numbers we have to import geocoder, and after you've done that, you have to just write ch_number. I'm just specifying variable. So ch_number is equals to phone numbers dot parse. So phone numbers dot parse, and then in parenthesis you have to write the number. So we have to specify the variable of number, and then ch. So ch stands for country and then history. After you have done that, you have to just print the country. So that would be geocoder. So geocoder dot description underscore for number, and then we are just going to write ch number comma in quotation marks en. So we are specifying the language English, and then we will just close the bracket. So if you want to run this code, I'll just quickly run the file through terminal. First you have to save it, and then you have to just run the file through the terminal. And as you can see, if you get the same error, you can just go ahead in your terminal and install phone numbers. So most of you won't have it installed. If you do, you will not have this error. You can just write pip install phone numbers. So this is a library that is offered by pip, and it will completely download and install every library I need for this project. As you can see, it is downloading phone numbers. In your case, it will also download and install everything. If you have any problems, you can just comment down below, and I will definitely answer to them. So after that is completely installed, you can just run the file through the terminal, and after a few seconds, as you can see, it just specified the country of this phone number, that is India. As you can see, India right here. So now for the second thing, I will just for the carrier, as I also want to import the carrier, I will quickly go ahead and again, so we have to import from. So from phone numbers we have to import the library carrier, and then I'm going to be writing service dot nmber, because we are not going to specify the number that was earlier. So nmber that would be number, service underscore NMBER, that is equals to phone numbers dot parse. So the same thing all over again, but it has a little bit differences. Then number, and then there would be RO instead of CH. So now we are just gonna print the service provider name. So we are just gonna go ahead and write print, then in parenthesis carrier. So carrier parenthesis carrier dot name and underscore for underscore number, and that would be another parenthesis, that would be service number but NMBER, so service NMBER, comma, then we're going to specify the language, that is English, and that's it. That's the whole code we need for this project. I'm just gonna go ahead and save this file, and I'm just gonna run this file through my terminal, and as you can see, it listed my service provider name and my country name. So yeah, this is a really cool project if you are a beginner and you are starting to learn Python. And if you like this video, please smash the like button down there and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.